This 2023 Grand Design Solitude 390RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 5 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, sleep 6, external shower, leveling jacks, slideout, air conditioning, spare tire kit, skylight, auxiliary battery, awning, smoke detector, stove-top burner, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Solitude 390RK is 14,562 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.